If you're a YouTuber and you have to plan out videos, and you already have Scrivener 3 for Windows, I have a format for you. Hi, my name's Juliet, and today I'm going to show you how I now use Scrivener to plan out my YouTube videos, because you might want to do that too. I started creating and using this template back in November of 2021. At that stage, I had a few videos to finish off for December, which gave me a chance to test out all the options before beginning on January's content. And it has made things so much easier. And that's not just because a lot of my videos are about Scrivener. I started off with the recipe format template, but that's not strictly necessary, and adapted from there. Let's start with the structure I've created in the binder. I have different folders for the different stages of video production, and I've made them binder separators so they're very clear. Within those folders, I've used labels to define those stages too, so the content in each folder is a different colour. Ideas are in green. These are just topics. I haven't written anything or researched it if the item is here. These might be things I've noticed when creating another video, or simply templates and layouts I haven't yet discussed. Putting them here means I won't forget about them. In production is in pink. When something is moved here, I've given it a definite date in the schedule, and I'm doing everything from starting to write scripts to producing the final video. Scheduled is in orange. This really is just a holding station, in case I need to go back and change something to do with a video before it goes live. For example, if I need to reschedule videos because something else important has come up. Finally, completed is where I am starting to create a filing structure by topic, so I can easily find something if I need to in the future. For example, if I need to see what I've done on this topic before. The status field I've used for different software topics, so simple searches will be easier. I've also used custom icons for even more easy recognition. The document format is set using custom template documents for the different folders in the Ideas section. This will be expanded as time goes on. In the metadata, you'll see I have a list of tick boxes so I can keep track of where I am with particular videos in the production process and to make sure I do certain tasks such as backing up. This is useful because I record in batches and not necessarily in order. Below that, I have sections for information on the specific video. If I decide what I can beforehand, it makes things easier when uploading. When I'm done, I bookmark the thumbnail and video, which means I can easily see the thumbnail if I want, and get to it and the video very easily. I have separate videos on label and status customization already, and I'll be doing one on metadata soon. In the meantime, the book review template here will give you some information on that. Thanks for watching, and if you've subscribed, I'll see you again next time.